So the chain on my 2001 Fazer has become really slack, and I've measured it, that's about 6 or 7 centimetres. You don't need a ruler to see it's too slack. You can hear it slapping around, so we're going to tension it. So firstly we're going to just slacken off the nut on the axle bolt. And the purpose of these adjusters really is just to pull the wheel backwards. The spindle locks it. So let's get those loosened off, slackened off on each side, and we'll give those adjuster nuts a quick turn in, see if we can pull some of that slack out. So we've got a 12mm lock nut, that wasn't particularly tight. In equal measure, I'm going to give each side 2/4 turns. To draw the wheel back. I'm going to do this a few times because we've got a lot of slack. Just going to use an open-ended spanner because it's easier to get in. Right, so measuring from the middle of the chain, that's about 35mm at the base of the chain. Lift it all the way up, that's about 5mm. So that's about 30mm overall of movement, which is bang in the middle of the range. The next thing to do is to hold the adjuster nut, stop it from moving while you do up the lock nut. It's best to get your spanners in a position where you can squeeze them together. Again, ensuring you don't move the adjuster nut, because even the slightest bit of movement can affect the tension on the chain. Spin your axle nut back on. And whilst holding the bolt at the other end with the spanner, torque it up to 117 Newton meters. Bike's absolutely filthy. Needs a clean, as does this chain, and a lube. Anyway, job done. Bye for now.